Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase font size to Blogger website. So, if you watch this video to last, you are able to do this work perfectly. So, I open a post from my Blogger website. You can see I want to increase the size. First of all, I select this para, then go to this option double T font size. So here are available smallest, small, normal, medium, large and largest. So if I select largest, wow, you can see it's too bigger, but I want to more small. I want to keep it more small than normal. Okay, again go on large. So you can see this is a method you can transfer font size to another size. It's absolutely easy. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.